Welcome back. In this tutorial, we'll discuss adding the audio products to CHEADBManager to make them available to members and non-members for purchase. In addition, we'll also make them available to members for MP3 downloads. Now, to talk a little bit about this, at the conventions, we record the speakers and make those audio recordings available to our members and non-members for purchase. In addition, some of these recordings are available to our members for a free download when they become a new member or if they renew their membership. Now, to add these particular products to our database and make them available for live editing, we will log into our system first, and then we'll proceed over to the Library tab. Click on that. We'll go to Inventory. In our inventory list, we see a list of inventory items. We can sort by, or filter actually, by inventory type. In this case, we're going to choose MP3 and filter all the MP3 items. Our actual MP3 products, as we can see, have an annual convention identifier or BA convention identifier with the year, and then we have the audio recording ID. Then we have the product name and the product type. Okay, let's go ahead and add one of these products to our system now. We'll add a test product for the BA10, that BA10 convention that was just completed. So we'll click New. This creates a new entry screen for us to add our inventory item. We'll start off by adding BA10, and then the ID that we're going to add is 022. The product name for this one will be Test Audio Recording for Web. The product price will be $5, and the member price is $4. Our product weight is 0 because there's no weight for a digital MP3 item. Our product type will be MP3. Now this needs to be our product type because when the members go online, they're going to sort, filter all of their products by the product type, and they want to see all the MP3 items. The tax status will be non-taxable, and then on hand and on order, those two will be 0. We don't have to upload an image, so we don't have to choose that option. The description will be the description for the audio. In this case, I don't know what the description is for this particular audio, as we're just doing a test. So I am going to add, this is a test audio recording for the web. Then we'll switch over to our MP3 info tab. The folder is very important. In this case, the folder is going to be BA10. This navigates to the actual folder structure that we will store, or where we will store the file, or where the file name is stored in this case. The file name for this particular item is, if you remember, the last 3 of the ID, which is going to be 022.mp3. So MP3 is the file extension. BA10 is the folder. Now, this is always separated by the convention that we attended. So BA10 folder name will always be the Bay Area Convention 2010. BA09 folder name will always be the Bay Area Convention 2009. The file name is just the name designated for each MP3 item. We don't have to upload an MP3 as there are so many MP3s. We didn't want you to be burdened with uploading each MP3 one at a time. So our technical staff does that for you. And so the MP3 items are already uploaded and available on the server. GL account, we don't need one for this item because it will not be going to Peachtree. Cash account, we don't need one. Discount account, we don't need one. Inventory account, we don't need one. Cost account, we don't need one. This identifier here, send to Peachtree, we'll only check this box if we'll be sending the item to Peachtree for reconciliation. In this case, we will not be, because this will only be available to members so that they can actually view the item online, so they can download the item, or so they can select their free MP3 download. This item we need to check because this will be a web product. This item we need to check because it will be member discountable. AutoCalc member price, we don't need to check this item. Specially priced item, we don't need to check this item. Allow free MP3 download. We need to check this item if we're going to allow this MP3 to be able to be located for our members who get a free MP3 credit. In this case, we will check the box to make this item available as a free MP3 download. Next is our default product job. In this case, this will be retail sales. Once all this information is entered, we click Save and Exit. And then we can search for the product ID BA10, inventory type MP3, and here's the one we just entered. That concludes our audio recording on how to add this particular item.